man. We're going down. We can't keep going down. We're descending. We're in the water. We're in the water.
你刚才听到的是夏威夷岛际航空810号航班坠毁前的录音。今天我们就来还原一下录音的全过程。
Express 810, runway right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway right, clear for takeoff, Road Express 810. 80 knots.
Okay, you have control. Okay, I have control. Engine stable.
B1, rotate.
Check. B2. Positive rate. Damn! Lost an engine. You got it? Yeah, I got it. Yep, looks like you lost number two. Number two.
Okay, Rose 810, we've lost an engine. We are on the 220 heading.
What's the problem? What's going on with
Express
the
810, you're cleared visual approach runway 4 right. You can turn in towards the airport.
Okay, Rose 810, we're going to have to run a checklist if we can get a delay vector.
And just keep me advised and maintain 2,000 if that's the altitude you'd like.
Okay, 2,000 is good for now. We'll stay around 15 miles from the airport.
So it looks like the number
And
one.
Rose Express 809, can you make the turn back in now to the airport? Company's not
Still
coming in
number
quite yet.
two. So we have number two. Okay.
And Rose Express 810, when you get a chance, can I get, the nature of the emergency? I know you said an engine out. Which one? How many souls on board and fuel?
Okay, all that is good. We'll give you all that in a little bit, Rose 810.
You're ready.
Yeah, hello, Rose 810.
Rose Express 810, hello, Tower.
Yeah, we can take your 10 to the right, towards the airport. Not ready to land yet, though.
Rose Express 810, flight heading is 250.
250, Rose 810. And Rose 810 would like to come to the airport now.
Rose Express 810, turn right, heading 020, confirm you still have the airport in sight.
Negative, we don't have the airport, Rose 810, 020.
Rose Express 810, fly heading of 020, and would you like to intercept the localizer or do you want vectors?
Vector straight to the airport, 810.
040, heading Rose Express 810.
Let's do the engine failure shutdown checklist.
040, roger, Rose 810.
And Rose Express 810, is it 2 souls
And I
on
have
board
the
and
radios
also
now.
how much
Okay.
fuel remaining?
Rose 810, stand by.
Okay. Engine failure or shutdown when one of these occurs. An engine failure, an engine
Rose
flame out,
Express
another
810,
checklist
flying
directs an engine
050.
shutdown.
050, Rose Express 810. Okay, Rose 810, situation we've lost number 1 engine. And we're coming straight to the airport. We're going to need the fire department as a chance. We're going to lose the other engine too. It's running very hot. And speed is, we're pretty low on the speed. Doesn't look good out here. You might want to let the Coast Guard know as well. And we don't have any hazmat. And fuel is about 2 hours of fuel.
And Rose Express 810, how many people are on board?
2 of us.
Rose Express 810, roger. Do you have the airport in sight?
Hey, we're red line here. We should pull back
Rose
on the right
Express
one a little
810, do you
bit.
have the airport in sight?
Negative.
And Rose Express 810, low
Okay.
altitude alert. Low altitude
head back
alert.
to the
Are you
airport.
able to climb at all?
No, negative.
Rose Express 810, roger. Proceed direct to the airport and you are cleared to land any runway.
We need a heading.
Rose Express 810, heading 060.
Yeah, we should.
060.
How's the EGT?
Rose Express 810,
No,
the
it's max.
trucks
It's
are
beyond
rolling.
max.
You want to let the Coast Guard know as well?
Say that again?
Can you let the Coast Guard know? We can maintain altitude.
We will.
There we go, flaps. Flaps
Rose
one.
Express 810, the Coast Guard is on their way.
Not yet.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
And Rose Express 810, if you want to land 8 right, if you can get to the runway, any runway, you are clear to land. Rose Express 810, if you can get to runway 8 right or Kaliloa, do you want Kaliloa?
I'd like the closest airport runway, please.
Kaliloa Airport is 3 miles north of you, off your 9 to 10 o'clock. Can you get that, Rose Express 810? It's to your left, about 3 miles northwest of you.
Okay, give me a heading.
500.
Roads Express 810, the airport is about a 310 heading from you.
310, thank you.
Roads Express 810, the lights may need to be on 132.6. They may be pilot controlled.
Way over. Hey man, we're going down. We
Roads
can't
Express
keep going
810.
down. We're descending. We're in the water. We're in the water.
Roads Express 810, Honolulu Tower.
Oh, tower, this is Chief 2.
Chief 2, Honolulu Tower.
Yes, I was trying to call you on ground. Is ground out?
No, I was kind of busy.
Understand. Do you have a status update on this aircraft?
Chief 2, yeah, it looks like they went down in the water about 2 miles southeast of Kailoa.
调查指出，起飞后不久，飞机的右侧引擎出现故障，机组按照程序操作，初步判断右引擎失效，这一判断没有错误。然而，情况很快就复杂起来。机长忙着与塔台通话，把操控权交给了副机长。副机长在一连串繁杂的操作中，竟然错误地将正常的左侧引擎油门也拉到慢车位，导致2台引擎都失去了动力，在夜色中逐渐失速坠海。2名飞行员奇迹般的生还，飞机彻底报废，沉入海底。调查还发现，右侧引擎的失效源于高压涡轮叶片因长期氧化和腐蚀而断裂，进而损坏了低压涡轮，导致右侧引擎故障。如果只是单引擎故障，按照程序完全可以安全返航，但由于副机长的误操作，左侧引擎也被副驾驶关了，导致飞机完全失去推力。然而，更大的问题来自公司管理。调查显示，夏威夷岛际航空存在严重的制度漏洞，在未提交维护计划的情况下，这家航空公司竟偷飞了900多次，即便在空难发生后到全面停飞的过渡期，仍偷偷执行了33次航班。2022年5月，美国联邦航空管理局终于做出决定，吊销夏威夷岛际航空的营运执照，这起事件才告一段落。810号航班的生还堪称奇迹，但背后暴露出的管理缺陷和维护疏漏，却给整个航空业敲响了警钟。在先进的飞机，也离不开严格的制度与维护；在娴熟的飞行员，也需要清晰的沟通和冷静的判断。最后，愿此类事情不再发生，警钟长鸣。